Hello everybody, Joe Ferdinando with the FerdyWorks TV network. Today I'm going to show you how to add a TV channel to your Apple TV. So from the main screen, you're going to scroll across and find the App Store. And on your mouse pad, which is on your remote, you're going to scroll across the App Store and select that. And then from here, we're going to come to the search icon. So you can scroll to the left or the right to search, select search, okay, and then you will start typing. So I will scroll with my remote and I will start typing the name of the channel that I wish to search for. So in this case, I am searching for Echo TV, okay, which I found. And now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select Echo TV. And it's going to load and it's going to ask me down here if I want to install it. So I'll simply come down, highlight install, okay, and then I will tap on my remote and it will acquire it and it will add it, and then we just got to select to open the app. Now here we are, and we can scroll up or down to watch different channels on Echo TV. Now if I go to my main home screen and hit the menu, okay, let me come to the main home screen, come all the way back. Now I'm on the main home screen. If I scroll down now, I just added Echo TV right here. And how did I find it again? I went to the App Store. I selected the App Store. I went to the search. And then in search, I typed Echo TV and it came up and I simply went down, selected, and added it. I hope you enjoyed this simple video and I'll catch you the next time. This is Joe Ferdinando, the FerdyWorks TV network. Thank you.